Just your friendly neighborhood Pill Estes. Having a glass of wine, maybe a couple of them. But I wanted to show you what I'm making, because we're going to load this fat bread. I want to load this fat fucker. Split it in half and fill it with, look, all your beautiful, delicious vegetables, peppers, onions, mushrooms, 3 kinds of peppers actually. Salt, pepper, oil, vinegar, all that good shit. And then over here, some pork that I had shredded. It's super thick because I'm going to need to load that bread with it, with mushroom sauce. Like a mushroom soup, but it hasn't been watered down. So some shredded pork. We're going to cut this bread. Oh, it's going to be good. It smells like a Philly cheesesteak sandwich in here, and I can dig it. Hope everyone's having a nice day. I'm done with work today, so now it's just about eating and drinking. Actually, the best knife for the bread is this, the one with the serrated edge. Hell yeah.
Is the rest of the stuff done?
Yes. Most certainly yes, times 7. This will be strained with mushroom sauce. This is food porn. Alright. Holy crap, this thing probably weighs fucking 7 pounds. Okay, see ya. Move this. Holy shit.
No more fucking cheese. Here, have a crunchy boy.
Mushroom, pork, Philly cheesesteak, French bread. I don't know. It's gonna be good.
You want more?